What's going on, everybody? Here we are at the field. Gonna check out this new ramp I bought. Well, this is a freshpark ramp. This thing retails for about $350 and they label it as an RC ramp. Gotta tell you this, I don't know about all that. It's rated for 850 pounds, and if you're looking for something lightweight that you could throw into the car, take with you on location, this is certainly not it. This thing weighs about 85 pounds, so let's check it out. It's a two-piece foldable design. I mean, if you do have a truck, it's not so bad, but for a car, don't recommend it. The overall construction of this thing's rad. We'll start here at the bottom. This is your entry plate, right here. Nice, thick plate of steel. That piece right there probably weighs 20 pounds in itself. Probably quarter-inch thick, held on with nylock nuts and Allen key hardware. The deck, it's a two-piece deck made out of like a composite material, so you're not gonna have to worry about this thing rotting out on you. So that's pretty nice. I like that. And let's open it up. Oh, never mind. Let's make that 800 pounds. So you can jump a dirt bike with this if you wanted to. One thing I do like, all the hardware, these are all slotted, so you can adjust your angle, so that way you get a real nice approach on it. All of the tubing is well over 1 inch squared, and it has this real nice powder coated, like hammer black finish. All in all, this thing's pretty rad, but my God, is it heavy. This thing is definitely heavy. One thing also I do like is it comes with these nice little handles, so you can take the legs off, so when it folds up you can put them back on. Also, from freshpark, I've seen that these legs are used on quite a few of their ramps, and they are available in different sizes. So if you wanted to make this thing a little bit taller, give it a little bit more angle, go a little higher, you can buy them. And it looks like it'd be a pretty easy job for you to trim them if you wanted to. But let's go get the Quake. Let's go try this thing out. I've been waiting for weeks to get out here to try this thing. Let's go. One thing I did look for when I bought this ramp is I wanted one that was wider. I didn't like the fact that some of the skinnier ramps, sometimes you end up 50-50 in them. You can see this one here. This thing's almost 3 Quakes wide, maybe a little bit more. So if you missed this, you really tried. One other cool thing that I do like about this is you see this lip on the end. I built it wrong the first time, and I had it the other way around. It does fit the other way around. So if you wanted to put like a bump on the end of it, so that way you, like if you wanted to pull better backflips, you can use that as a bump, as well as just a simple departure like that one. Those screw holes are also slotted, so you can adjust that as well. Let's do a small one, work our way up, see how this ramp goes. All right. That thing bottoming out. Let's take a look at it. Let's hit that again. I think the back is hitting. Oh, right on the lid. Yeah, landed though. Let's try it again. Beautiful. Quake seems to be flying pretty good off it. Didn't mean to do that, but that was a nice front flip. This ground is a little bumpy, so it's hard to nail it because it wants to come flying off the ground. See, that's what we didn't want to do. So we got a back flip out of it, a front flip out of it. Oh, didn't land that one. Seems like it's a pretty easy target. It's wide enough. I probably picked the bumpiest piece of land to do it. Nothing you can do with that one. This little arrma quake is a fun toy. I need to get something a little bit bigger, and we'll try a different spot next time. Oh, come on, all the way over there. Let's go again. Nice. The ground wasn't so bumpy, this would be a lot better. There we go. Let's try and just do a straight up jump, no flip this time. No problem. Nice flip. This quake is great for flips. Whoa. This is so bouncy. Should have picked a better spot, but that thing weighs 80 pounds. I'm not moving it. Yeah. .50 it. No smooth spot around here. This whole ground is going to be bumpy. I don't want to put it on pavement. That's how we break stuff. Let's hit it again. Let's hit it again. Let's try double. No way. That time it did it. Yeah. Nice. Hard getting a good amount of speed with this thing due to the fact that the front end always wants to come up, and I'm already giving it a bouncy ground, so if I miss it, I miss it. But nice. Oh, nosedive. A little early on the brake. Oh. Now we got a ramp, we can practice this a lot more, get better with it. This thing has a lot of angle. It keeps wanting to throw the front end up. It wants to do a flip no matter what, because I have to do it under power. Yeah. Ain't gonna hit me today, Quake. like it was going to be a good landing. Oh. Windy day. Hey. Nice. Gotta get something a little bit bigger. Maybe 4-wheel drive. There we go. As long as I lift off at the beginning of the ramp, it'll go straight. Anything on throttle on this thing, it seems like it just wants to do a flip. Nice. Oh, way too early. Right on the lid. No damage. Cool. I had to work on the suspension on this thing a little bit. Seems like it lands just fine, and then it just rebounds too hard. See, like that landed flat. That should have just took it. Whoa! That one almost killed me. Should have tried to catch it. That would have been cool. Oh, come on, come on. There we go. Thank you. See? It won't, it just doesn't want to land it. There we go. Picked up some sod on the way. Ooh, I don't like the sound of that. Here we go. Here we go. Again, the farthest part away. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so I decided to move it. That sucks. That thing's freaking heavy, man. But now we have a little bit of blacktop. Should be able to get it going, and we'll send it into the grass. Let's go for some distance. sucked. Need a better view. I'll just start it over. Alright, so I decided to move the ramp. Figured, let's use this blacktop. It's a lot smoother. Get a little bit of a better run up on it. Dang, that was huge. I love this Quake. Under 300 bucks, this thing's just awesome. Bam, front flip, that was beautiful. That front flip was beautiful. That landing was nice. I'll take that, 2 for 2. Ah, pulled it too early. Perfect. Yeah, this is a good idea. Celebration wheelies. Whoa! Saved it. Yeah, blacktop's still a little funky. That was about as smooth as you're gonna get it. That was nice. Nice. Man, that wind's kicking up. One more. Let's go for a double. Put it away. Oh, wait. Oh, that's it. Battery has had it. That's it. She's done. So what do you think? I think this new ramp is pretty awesome. Maybe a little bit more angle. If it was a little higher, that'd be cool. But, I mean, we're launching them pretty far. No need to go 50 feet, but I think we're getting a solid 20, 25, maybe 30. Fresh Park, not a bad ramp, but my God. Why you have this listed under RC, I have no idea. This thing is definitely not an RC ramp, but pretty awesome, pretty awesome. I like it. See how it held up. We got some skid marks on there. That's about it. Maybe not a good thing if it was wet. Oh well, either way. Quake did awesome, ramp did awesome. I did okay, but thanks everybody for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.